Good afternoon, friends. In today's lecture, I will show you as to how we can resolve the forces which are as per the parallel and perpendicular axis as per the inclined axis of the given frame or the given beam or the given body. Now in this case, you can see this is a case of a perfectly stable equilibrium where all the forces have been perfectly resolved. Now here I'll just show as an overall brief of a formula as to how we are resolving this beam. The first of all, whatever happens, that whenever I need to resolve a beam, I need to know as to what is this theta or what is the angle of inclination. From that inclination only, I'll be able to resolve the forces as per the sine and cos formula. Now first of all happens that I try to calculate this theta by this formula, that tan theta is equal to A by B. Of course, if I'm saying this angle is theta, then this opposite side will be my A and the adjacent side will be by B. From this formula, I'll be able to calculate the angle of theta. So you can see here, this value has input as theta. But obviously, you can see that this angle and this angle are almost the same, as I can say that both the angles are same because of vertically opposite angles. You can see the one more adjacent angle which I call it as theta dash. Now relation between these two angles is theta plus theta dash is equal to 90 degrees. From that I can calculate the value of theta dash as 90 minus theta. Now in the next step what happens, I'll exactly resolve the forces as per the inclination. So you can see that this force here, which I can resolve it as 15 into cos theta plus 25 into cos theta dash. This jointly force can be called as HB dash because both the forces cosine components will be merged in one direction. Whereas if I have to say about the Fy component or the psi component, both the forces will be in opposite direction, hence their overall sum will be difference of each other. As you can see, if I say Fy term, it will be sine component, so 25 into sin theta dash minus 15 into sin theta dash will be this value of Vb dash. Vb dash means the inclined force value, the vertical force value of Vb dash, and this Hb dash is inclined horizontal value of Hb. At the same point, this 50 kilonewton force can also be resolved into two components. As you can see, I can resolve it as well as 50 into cos theta dash, which is actual the adjacent, and the final 15 sin theta dash, which is the vertical component. And the last, I can calculate this value of HA dash, which can be calculated as HC dash minus HB dash. And this VA dash, I can calculate as VC minus VB dash. Both the calculations I have done by using the forces summation Fx and summation Fi. I hope by this overall general formula you have got a good brief idea as to how we calculate. In the next problem, on the next part of my lecture, I'll resolve the same problem having some basic values. I hope you understand a lot from this lecture. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.